So guys, here is one more solving video has been came on the Rayyan channels, and in today's video we are solving the medium one, means we are solving 386 lexicographical numbers. So we are solving this in today's video in the LeetCode camp. So get ready for it and let me show you how to solve it. And we are solving in the Python, not any such type of language. We are solving it in the Python 3. Okay, so get ready for it. Python 3 are same. Okay, not any difference in it. Okay, it is matter on you if you want to solve in Python, to solve it. If you want to solve in Python 3, so solve it. I am solving in the Python 3, so get ready for it. So now let's move to the computer screen, and now let's solve our medium one. In the previous video we solved the easy one, so in today's video we are solving the medium one, then the next video we are solving the hard one. Okay, so get ready for it. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So let's start. So first of all, like you all know what we want to do. First of all, we open our LeetCode camp. When we open our LeetCode camp, first of all, come onto the LeetCode camp, the world leading online programming. And when you click on it, so first of all, click on the contest, and then click on the 59 page. We come on the last page and come on to the warm up contest. So in the next video, previous video, we do the easy one. Here you can see it. In the previous video, we do this. So in this video, we are doing this medium one. Okay, so let's start and let's do it. So we are doing there are many languages: PHP, Swift, Kotlin, Java, Python, C++, C#, but we are solving it in the Python 3. So let's solve it. So first of all, let's see the question. Now the question, it has been give me lexicographical numbers. Now it is a medium one. It say given an integer n. What it say? Given an integer n, where it has been given the integer n here. Now return all the numbers in the range 1 comma n, sorted in the lexicographical order. You must write an algorithm. It say you write you must write an algorithm that runs in 0 rounded brackets n time and uses 0 rounded bracket 1 and extra space. So this one question it has been given me, and it give the example 1, example 2 and example 3. Example 1 only. Example 1, example 2. In the example 1, it give me the n integer in which we write here we create a n variable in which we write integer 13. So it give me the 1 till 13 numbers. So you can see 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2, 3, 4. It give me the numbers 1 till 13, but it not give me the accurate like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It give me like this 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. Okay. And in the example 2, I write in the n, I write equals to 2, in which it give me the output 1 comma 2, and we use this type of constraints. So I understand what we are doing. It is saying given an integer n, return all the numbers in the range 1 comma n, sorted in the lexicographical number. So let's solve it. So first of all, here we define space, give the here. Okay, write here result equals to then square brackets. Okay, because he say return all the numbers. Okay, perfect. Now when you define it, write here cure equals to 1. So let's see it. Okay, now write there for in range, then write here n. Okay, because he say write n, so I write range n. Okay, perfect. Now here you define result dot append and then rounded brackets cure. Okay, now when we define it, now enter press from here, write here if cure multiply by 10 less than equals to n, then semicolon. Perfect. Now when you do this, so define here one more time cure, then write here this, and then write here equals to 10. Perfect. When you do this all the things, so you only want to do it. Let me see. Okay, now here what we here we define a comment. Here we move to the next depth, and then here we append 0 at the end. So let's see the question one more time. Okay. Okay, there is not any mistake, I am sure. Okay, then write here else statement in which we write while cur, and then write here percentage sign in which we write 10. Okay, then underscore underscore 9, and write or cur plus 1, and give the space, and then and then write this. Perfect. Now here we define cur in which we write slash 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 equals to 10. Now when we write this, so now here we define a, here we backtrack comment, backtrack by removing the last digit. Now here we write core plus equals to 1. Here we increment to the next number in lexicographical order. Now enter is a backspace. Now here we define a return result. So we write perfect code or not. Let's see the question one more time. Okay. So I'm thinking these are perfect, so let's run this code. So when we run this code, so let's see the output of it. So here you can see it, the output has been accepted, means our all the cases are perfect, means our case 1 and case 2 are perfect. Here you can see it, our both cases are perfect. Okay, in the example 1 my output has been come like this, and my output has been coming like this, and in the example 2 my output will become like this, and my output is always coming like this. Okay, so here you can see it like that. We solve it. So let's submit it and let's see how my position has been came. So let's submit, and now let's see the position. So here you can see it, we come on the up. Here you can see it, I'm on the highest one. Here you can see it, I solve it in the 14.54%. Here you can see it, 14.54, and many people are do in 6.79%, 0.9%, but I have do it in 10 milliseconds. Okay, here you can see it. So we solve it the question of the 386 lexicographical numbers, and this is all the code. Okay, here you can see it, you will be writing this all the code. So we solve it in the Python 3. So I hope you enjoy this video, and in today's video we solve it the medium one. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss about these type of videos on the on this type of LeetCode camp of the solutions of the LeetCode camp. So now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing that type of videos on the LeetCode camp solutions. Okay, so now give me the permission to go. Okay, so now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So now for today, goodbye.